Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to schedule sending an email in the Microsoft Outlook for Windows email client. So this is the one that is built into Windows that replaced Windows Mail. This is not the standalone one that comes with Office 365. So we did do a video for the full Outlook client, how to schedule or delay an email sending. So you could check that out if you're using the real Outlook. So right now we have two accounts on this Outlook for Windows set up here. One's a Gmail, one's an Outlook. So if we go to new email and we want to schedule it, if we're using a non-Microsoft type account like Gmail here, a Microsoft account would be like a Hotmail or an Outlook.com, that type of thing. So we do not have a schedule option for this type of email account. So if I change this to the Microsoft type account here, you can see we do have a schedule option. So if I want to send this off to Cindy here, and it's 9:46 right now, so I'll call this 9:48. I'll click on Schedule Send. It gives you some suggestions tomorrow morning, Sunday morning. I'll do a custom time here. So today at 9:48, and send it off. Okay, so then when 9:48 comes around, it should send it out. And then we could go over to Cindy's email here and wait for it to show up. All right, so it actually took a minute later, so it's 9:49. I turned the clock on here, and now you can see it's in the sent items. And then Cindy just received it now at 9:49, so it was pretty close, within a minute of sending it out, so that's no big deal. So it's pretty simple to do here. So just go to new email. Make sure you're on your Microsoft type account. Click on Schedule Send. Pick one of these suggestions here or do the custom date and time. So then click on Send, and so when that date and time occurs, it will send out the email. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.